Everyone wants to earn money fast, because it is a natural desire in a world where expenses keep coming without pause and life demands constant financial pressure. Bills do not wait, needs do not wait, and opportunities often feel time-sensitive, which creates a strong urge to find quick income solutions. But the internet has also created confusion, where many people mistake fast money for shortcuts, risky schemes, or unrealistic promises that rarely work in reality. In truth, real fast income is not based on luck or tricks, but on simple value exchange where you solve problems for other people in the quickest possible way. If you want money quickly, you must focus on becoming useful quickly, because money always moves toward value and solutions. People do not pay for complexity or perfection in early stages. They pay for results that solve immediate problems. One of the fastest and most practical ways to earn money today is freelancing, where simple skills like writing, design, video editing, basic marketing can be turned into income almost immediately. Clients are not looking for perfection or long experience histories. They are looking for someone who can deliver a solution to their problem. Even beginners can start earning by offering basic services and improving over time through real work experience. Another effective method is offering small services either online or locally, where you help businesses or individuals complete simple but necessary tasks. These can include basic editing, social media help, data entry, or simple technical support depending on your ability. Even small jobs can generate quick cash flow when you are active, consistent, and willing to take opportunities that others ignore. Reselling is another fast income method, where you buy products at a lower price and sell them at a higher price through local markets or online platforms. This does not always require large investment, but it does require awareness, observation, and understanding demand in your environment. People often overlook reselling, even though it has been one of the oldest and most practical income methods in history. Digital gigs and micro-tasks are also powerful for beginners who want immediate income without advanced skills. These can include small online jobs, simple content tasks, or entry-level freelance work that pays for time and effort. While individual payments may be small, they create early financial momentum that builds confidence and experience over time. However, the most important factor in fast money is action speed, because hesitation is one of the biggest reasons people fail to earn quickly. Many individuals overthink opportunities, wait for perfect conditions, or delay taking action until chances disappear completely. In fast income situations, imperfect action is far more valuable than perfect planning without execution. Taking action early creates learning, and learning creates improvement, which gradually increases earning potential over time. The faster you act, the faster you understand what works and what does not in real market conditions. Once you understand the system, your income potential naturally increases because experience replaces guesswork. It is also important to understand that fast money is usually active income, meaning it requires time, effort, and direct execution. Unlike passive income, which takes longer to build, fast income can begin immediately if you are willing to work consistently. The goal is not to stay in fast money forever, but to use it as a starting point for financial stability. Without cash flow, nothing else in finance works properly, because every system depends on having money moving in first. Many people struggle financially not because opportunities do not exist, but because they ignore simple and accessible ways to start earning. They wait for big opportunities while small opportunities pass them every day unnoticed. Small income streams matter because they create momentum, and momentum is one of the most powerful forces in financial growth. Once money starts flowing, even in small amounts, confidence increases and better opportunities begin to appear naturally. This is how many successful earners begin their journey, not with big wins, but with small, consistent actions. Another important principle is skill stacking, where even basic abilities like communication, selling, editing, or problem solving can be monetized quickly. You do not need mastery to start earning. You only need to be useful enough to solve a problem for someone else. Over time, these skills improve naturally through practice and experience in real situations. Consistency is still essential because fast income does not mean random effort or scattered focus across multiple ideas. It means concentrated action on one method long enough to produce results and learning. Most people fail because they jump between ideas too quickly. while successful earners focus on execution until results appear. 3 major insights emerge from this understanding. First, fast money comes from action and value, not shortcuts or luck. Second, simple skills and services are enough to start earning immediately in today's economy. Third, speed combined with consistency matters more than perfection in the beginning stage. The reality of income is simple and consistent across all systems. Money moves toward action. If you act slowly, money arrives slowly. And if you act quickly and consistently, opportunities begin to multiply. And when action becomes a habit, income becomes a natural result of your behavior rather than a constant struggle.